Welcome guys to another video. Thank you very much for joining me. Today we are going to be reviewing the Nike Air Max 90 Infrared. The GOAT, the iconic sneaker that everyone loves and most recognised, I would say, out of all Air Max 90s, the infrared colourway. The Air Max 3 Radiant Red, whichever one you want to call it. I call it the Infrared 90. That's how I've known it. That's how I was brought up knowing it. And for me, it sounds better. So guys, we're going to be looking at the unboxing. I've saved the moment to unbox the sneaker with you. I'm absolutely gassed to do this video. And let's just get into it, man. I've been waiting to set the recording up, the perfect time, the perfect setting. Got some classics in the background. But guys, look at that box. Just look at that box for 1 second. Okay, this is an OG type box. They went as close as they could to the originals. Nike Air Max 90 Infrared. Whew, I'm sweating. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm a little bit nervous to open the box and have revealed the Air Max 90 that I've been trying to get hold of for years. Alright, but I'm fortunate enough now to be in a position where I can afford to buy them. They're a little bit steeper than your average Air Max 90. I had to pay $230. I paid resale. I don't care. They are the ultimate ones. I'm excited. Woohoo. Just the way that box flips over is really cool. Like, I'm a bit of a nerd for things like this, but let's take the paper off. Oh. Boys and girls, look at that beautifulness. Man, they look so clean. They look so clean. Oh, the hand tag. Oh, look at that. Whee! Boys and girls, look at that beautifulness. Iconic. Iconic. One of the best sneakers of all time, in my opinion. If you were born or raised in the 90s, this is one that you would absolutely love to have in hand and put on feet. Just to stare at. It reminds you of things. It gives you nostalgia. What a classic sneaker, man. That colour blocking for me is the best ever on a sneaker. An absolutely beautiful sneaker. The Air Max 90 Infrared. Nike Air Max 90 Infrared. Whew. Let's just get into the review, boys and girls. We're going to be going through the sizing. We're going to be going through the materials. And then I'm going to be rating the sneaker at the end of the video. I think you guys know what's coming anyway. But what do you guys think? Leave your thoughts, leave your comments down below. Let me know what your feelings, your opinions are of this sneaker. For me, this is an all-time grail, and I'm so lucky to get these in hand, boys and girls. Absolutely beautiful. So, starting off with the box, you get the Nike Air on the side, you get the Nike Air on the front, you get a damaged box and you get £10 off your order. You get the Nike Air on that side with all your details on it. Let's see what the actual official description reads. The official description reads, white, black, cool grey. That's the actual official description of the sneaker. But guys, let's just see what we get inside the box, yeah? Because this sneaker is like true to the OG, the original Infrared 90 that come out in the 90s. So they've tried to make it as nostalgic as possible. You get some heel protectors, which are pretty cool. I do like these. Astronomical arch supports, apparently. Astronomical, that's a big statement. Authentication tab from GOAT. Shout out GOAT. Got the GOAT sticker. You know I like my GOAT sticker. And then you get, whoo, this little postcard, post-it stamp that is true to the OG. That's why people like them. Some people might not like that, but I think it's really cool. That's basically like an advert Nike used to have for running shoes. Because the Air Max 90 is an actual running shoe. It's made for running. Made for durability. It's made for comfort. It's made for the best feeling of a sneaker ever. And then on the inside, just make sure I show you that the right way up, you get the information, the tech fleeces that used to come with the Air Max 90, or that's the ones they tried to match with it. It looks sick. Overall, everything about this shoe for me is amazing. Now, let's get into the sneaker. That Nike Air hang tag is absolutely awesome. Is it the right way around? It's the right way around for you guys. Now we're going to get into the materials of the sneaker. I'm excited to do this because the suede feels amazing. Starting off with the tongue. Woo! That looks hard. Looks very nice. That hit of pink behind the Nike Air looks really awesome. I love that. The tongue is super soft and plush. Feels really nice to hand. Then we got that beautiful sock liner that runs all the way around where your ankles will sit. Very, very nice. They're super, oh mate, it's like a soft cotton on the inside of the sneaker. It feels really, really nice on your fingers and thumbs. Like when you put your hand in it and you feel it, you just feel luxury. It feels really nice. Then we got that beautiful mesh running on the outside of the sock liner, which is again feeling really nice to hand. I love the mesh on Air Max 90, it's really nice. But that runs all the way around the sock liner and on the toe box. The toe box on this sneaker looks absolutely dope. I'm going to be doing it on feet for you guys as well. Oh, it's so good. The mesh on that toe box is super durable and flexible. So when you put your toes in it, you can wiggle your toes and you'll see them moving. That's how nice and comfortable these sneakers are. The suede that runs all the way around the sneaker is like a really old soft suede. It's not what they use now, but it feels great. And that's the same for the swoosh as well. The swoosh is absolutely beautiful. With the leather on the mudguard, that is a synthetic leather as well. So it's really, really nice. Overall, the materials in the sneaker are super dope. Overall, they're good. They're good materials. They're not bad materials. They're not okay. They're pretty good materials. And then we go to the heel plate. The heel plate looks absolutely dope. That's a classic heel plate of an Air Max 90 that anyone who collects 90s will want these. They're super cool, man. That Air Max hit on the side looks super, super lovely. The outsole is nice and squidgy and durable. The air unit is super crystal clear and it looks like to me, hang on, let me compare. It looks kind of bigger. I don't know whether you guys can see the difference there, but it looks slightly bigger than the newer air bubbles that you're getting on Air Max 90. And then we go to that classic outsole. Woo! That's beautiful. That outsole with a waffle design on it. Classic, beautiful, iconic. Absolutely amazing. The insole. Bright infrared in your face. Comfortable. Soft cotton all the way around. And then you get the waffle design on the outside as well. Your label for your Nike Air Max 90 is on the insole, which is weird. It's different, but that's how sneakers used to come. Another thing, the tag on the tongue is completely different, true to the OG style. Guys, that's the materials for the sneaker. Now we're going to get down to the sizing and the rating. I'll put the sneakers on now. They fit true to size. You ain't going to have no trouble. Buy your actual size for the sneaker. You go true to size and you will be absolutely in heaven. That is how nice these sneakers are. They're more comfortable than any of the Nike Air Max 90s you see behind me or in my collection. What a sneaker. Also, another feature, you get your size imprinted onto the sock liner, which I think is really cool. Now guys, we got to get down to the rating. What are we going to rate this sneaker? Leave your ratings down below in the comment section. Let me know what you think. Let me know what is your thoughts and opinions on the sneaker. Personally, I think they're absolutely awesome. I'm going to be rating them a 10. There ain't any, I'd rate them 100 out of 10 if I could. What do you rate them?
I'd say a 9.
A 9?
Yeah.
Oh, 9? Why a 9?
Only because the colour makes me think of a highlighter and it's too much for my face.
Yeah, but you got to think back to the 90s. Everything was bright and vibrant and rebellious.
You've got to remember I'm younger than you. So it wasn't
only
a
by
thing.
2 years.
It wasn't a thing, okay? And I like dark colours.
Well, this is always going to be a thing. No matter what, this will always be a classic sneaker for any sneakerhead. And personally, I think it's a 10. And it will always be a 10 in my eyes. Let me know if you think it's a 10 as well. Guys, what an absolutely beautiful sneaker. QC errors? None. I'm absolutely thrilled with how these sneakers look, how they feel. The quality on them is amazing. The flexibility in that tongue. Everything about this sneaker for me is 10-10. I have no issues with it. I can't critique it in that way. But I think I might be biased. There might be a few things that I've missed, but I just get overwhelmed by the fact that this is my all-time grail of any sneaker ever. It's amazing. And on that bombshell, guys, thank you very much for watching. Like and subscribe if you enjoy my content, and I will see you in the next video. What a video, what a sneaker. Peace!
Bye.